I have been paying attention to OpenGL Supervisor. Now I will give more attention to OpenGL Programming Guide. Through OpenGL Supervisor, we can get the big picture of OpenGL. Through Programming Guide, we can get minute details of OpenGL. These two books complement each other. Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is October 10th, 2022. This is my 102nd episode for C++ 17, 20, 23, CUDA, SQL, OpenGL, OpenCL, TBB. In this episode, we will create or update OpenGL Programming Guide 9th edition project template. If you want to follow my current session, you have to be able to access to my previous episode 63, Setup OpenGL CUDA 9. Please double-click this link. From this video, show more, you can download icon files by clicking this link. If you need more resources, you can download all the required resources. Now, show in folder, unzip it. You can find these icons. Now, start up Visual Studio. Go to File, New Project. Select OpenGL Programming Guide 9. Click Next. Make sure you selected your working directory. Select Folder. Solution name 102 OpenGL Programming Guide. Project name OGPG9 OpenGL Programming 9. Remove trailing 1. Now click Create. You can open tpot.cpp. Press Ctrl F5. You should be able to build successfully. Now close it. In the Explorer, we downloaded these icons. Copy to icon. Copy. Then in your project folder 102 OpenGL Programming Guide, here we will create res folder, then paste. So we pasted two icons. Now in Visual Studio again, right click, add resource. Select icon, import. Then here I will close it. Scroll down from your solution folder, project folder, resource, select all. Then you can add PG9 debug ICO open. Now save all. Yes. Now close it. We will add one more. Right click resource, add resource. Select icon, import. Select all. Then we will import this icon, open, save all. Yes. Now close it. We need these two icons. Now press Ctrl F5 again. It should build and run successfully. Now close it, close it. We will create one more filter. Right click, add new filter. We are adding new filter, shader files. We added new filter. For example, add new item. Select utility, text file, triangles, but click add. Also add new item, select text file, triangles, flag, click add. Now in the triangle vertex shader version 450 core. Now copy this, paste it here, fragment shader. Now save all. We can close all tabs. We will add one header file here. Right click, add new item. Select code, header file, programming guide.h. Click add. Now save all. In this file, double click it. We will copy from here up to this point. Copy, paste it here. We can delete this. Also delete this. We can use like this. Also like this. Of course, we need include GLU H for GLU error string. We need this function. For example, you can search for Google GLU error function. This function's header file is glu.h. If we are going to use this function, we need to include glu.h. Now here we can delete this. Instead, include programming guide. We can delete this part. We still need shape.t part. Save all, then press Ctrl F5. It should build and run successfully. Now close it, close it. We will add one more file, add new item, select CPP file. We will simply accept source. Click add. So we have two source files. We don't need this file. Properties, general, exclude from build. Yes. Click apply. Click OK. Now save all. I will close this file. Then arrange side by side. We need include programming guide. I will make some text here. October 10th, 2022 by Thomas Kim. I will make simple signature. We can use this, copy, paste, then into main, debug, hello, OpenGL programming guide, NL. We are testing if our program builds successfully. Now press Ctrl F5. It should build and run successfully. Now here we will use begin app declaration. Then we need end app declaration. We need these two macros. If you right click, go to definition, it creates a class like this. This is class header. Then end app declaration closes this class definition, and our base class Vermilion application. In this class we can use base, the base class. Don't forget the base class base. Now save all. Here we can put private section, also public section. These are all virtual functions declared in the base class. We will change the class name OpenGL app. I made it simple. Then I will change it to OpenGL programming guide. Override. So this is our initialize override virtual function. Also true override. Also finalize override. Also override. Here override. These are all virtual members. Now right click, go to definition. In this class Vermilion application, right click, go to definition. Here we can find initialize this member, go to definition. In this function it does some initialization. Okay, it should call not this function. We should call initialize. So if you miss base initialize, we pass title. Nothing happens. Put your own initialization here. In the same manner, we can find display, or in the base class, you have to call swap buffers. So, in the display, do some drawing. Then, base display, we pass this. In this case, we can go back here. Resize simply says viewport. So here we can say if width greater than height. Then here we say width is greater than height. Width minus height over 2. Then the shutter is height. We need one more. Else means height is greater than or equal to width. Then copy this, paste it. It should be 0, height, subtract width, then width. So I fixed this member. On key, this is keyboard and event handler. I will simply copy this part and paste it here. So default break, close. We don't need these things. Also, we don't need these things. We will put more code here. Now, with this, we need another thing. If you scroll down, you can find this macro. We can set here. We have to provide this class name like this. And we don't need this. So I will remove initialization like this. Then OpenGL programming guide. Now here H instance get module handle. We pass null win main H instance null sw show. Now press Ctrl F5. Something wrong. Double click it. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I provide too many. Press Ctrl F5. Now it should build and run successfully like this. Now close it. Now save all, close all tabs. Go to Project, Export Template. OpenGL Programming Guide 9 should be selected. Click Next. Here, OpenGL Programming Guide 9th edition. Icon Browse. From your working directory 102 OpenGL Programming Guide OGPG9 Resource. I would select this bug. Click Open. Browse. Select this icon. Open. Now finish. Yes. Now close it. I will make more changes to this project. Right click, add new project. Select OpenGL Programming Guide 9, this template. Click Next. Test. Click Create. Right click, select as a startup project. Press Ctrl F5. You should be able to build successfully like this. I will upload the complete source code in the description below this video.